Hello everybody, a very warm welcome. Long time no see. Today we are here for a satellite vision of conversions of organic chemistry. आज के सेशन से आपको एक बहुत अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, बहुत सारे reagents पता चलेंगे और रियलिटी चेक मिलेगा कि how well your methods of preparations are going, how well do you retain the conversions, how well you retain the reagents. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री को मास्टर करने का एक ही तरीका है, गेमीफाई इट, enjoy the process of conversions. So I am here to give you the taste of that. Without any further ado, let's get started. The game rule is, मैं आपको जो भी कंपाउंड दूं, you have to convert it to benzoic acid. Rules are set, simple, but do remember, आपको shortest method find out करना है for the preparation of the benzoic acid. Think of it that you're doing it in the lab, and in the lab you can't use just extravagantly all the chemicals, okay? So keep that in mind. Let's get started. The first compound coming your way. Pause the video, always try to do the question on your own and then look at the answer. So you have ethyl benzene. How would you convert ethyl benzene to benzoic acid? तो अगर आपने सोच लिया है, मतलब प्रेप इज गोइंग अप टू द मार्क, ऑल इज वेल, सब चंगा. बट इफ यू नॉट एबल टू थिंक, देन मेक श्योर you're revising, writing more and more, revisiting your notes more and more. All right, so what you can do for ethyl benzene is simply add KMNO4, which you know is a very strong oxidizing agent in the basic medium. But mind you, this will make the salt of acid, potassium salt of carboxylic acid. You want benzoic acid to provide acidic medium towards the end. So keep this in mind. Beauty of KMNO4 is, यहाँ पे अगर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है, then the product will be formed. Okay, so the presence of alpha hydrogen here is a necessary condition for the KMNO4 to work. अगर आप यहाँ पे एक डेकाइल भी ले लोगे, 10 कार्बन की चेन भी बेंजीन पे लगा लोगे, तो भी बेंजोइक एसिड मिलेगा. आप क्यूमीन ले लोगे तो भी आपको बेंजोइक एसिड मिलेगा. तो खूबसूरत बात है, एक हाइड्रोजन भी अगर है, एक अल्फा हाइड्रोजन भी अगर है, तो प्रोडक्ट विल बी बेंजोइक एसिड. तो चाहे आपको मैं इथाइल बेंजीन देती, या फिर मैं आपको 6 कार्बन लगा के दे देती, या फिर मैं आपको इस तरीके से क्यूमीन दे देती, until and unless मैं आपको ये ना दूं, this is the one which will not give you the product with KMNO4. Rest you can see each one of them have alpha hydrogens, and hence they can give you benzoic acid simply on adding the same reagent. Okay, so the final product after adding H3O plus will not be the salt, will be the acid. So your answer will be benzoic acid from KMNO4KOH and provide acidic medium. Are you ready for the second one? You better be. Second one coming on your way. Okay, acetophenone. Ketone. Think about it. What to do? So it's simple. Whenever you have a ketone, KMNO4 works. Strong oxidizing agent always works. Manganese with the +7 oxidation state. All it can do is come to a lower oxidation state, thereby acting like a very strong oxidizing agent. In fact, it's the king of oxidizing agents, isn't it? तो KMNO4 use कर लेते. Now, important condition here is you need to provide heat, because ketone का oxidation नहीं होगा बिना heat के. Point to be noted, my lord. Heat is a necessary condition for the ketone to convert to benzoic acid. But since we want not the salt but acid, so acidic medium again we are providing later on. So yes, this will give you benzoic acid. So far so good. Let's see the third one. All right, what's waiting? Okay, bromobenzene. How would you convert bromobenzene to benzoic acid? Keep testing your skills and do let me know towards the end how many you're doing right. Okay, comments में मुझे जरूर लिख के बताना कि जितनी भी conversions हम करने वाले हैं उनमें से कितने आप कर पाए हैं without looking at the answer. And answer you चमकना चाहिए. I can't give you infinite time. We don't have infinite time during our examination. We have limited time with more added pressure. So thinking ability even narrows down. So do let me know in the comments. Here you have bromobenzene, and I'm hoping that you have understood we need 1 carbon more than the starting material. Substrate say whenever 1 carbon extra is there, Knock, knock. Who is it? Grignard's reagent should strike the doors of your mind. So yes, we are going to add carbon dioxide after adding magnesium. तो magnesium डाला तो आपको पता ही है कि क्या बन जाएगा आपका MgBr बन जाएगा, right? So इसके अंदर अब आपने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डाल दिया और एसिडिक मीडियम प्रोवाइड कर दिया. You know that delta plus, delta minus. So this is carbon dioxide. So you know the opposites are going to attract. You're going to get COO minus Na plus once again. COO minus MgBr here in this case particularly. And then on adding acidic medium, you end up getting benzoic acid. All right. Okay, next one. What is it? Okay, this is a famous compound. The name of this compound, the common name of this compound is styrene, which also is something you should know. Tell me, what should be the product for this particular reaction? I mean, the product we already know. What should be the reagent for this particular reaction? देखो यहाँ पे multiple चीजें कर सकते हैं आप oxidative ozonolysis भी कर सकते हैं. So you know that what you can do is you can add ozone and then you can add in the presence of H2O2, this can give you benzoic acid. Another thing, this direct usage of KMnO4, the test of unsaturation can work as well easily, and then you can provide acidic medium. So that's it. You can carry out any of these methods to form benzoic acid from styrene. All right, the next one, benzaldehyde, the last one waiting for us. Benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, बहुत सारे methods हैं. So many oxidizing agents you can use. The mild oxidizing agents can also work. The strong oxidizing agents can also work. Let me keep one thing in your mind, that if you add Fehling reagent to it, nothing is going to happen. Tollens can work, so we can take ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. You know that this will work in basic medium, so you have to provide acidic medium towards the end so that you end up getting benzoic acid. The same work could have been done by many other oxidizing agents like stronger ones, KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, or even the oxidizing agents like PCC, isn't it? All right, I hope with this you have got some reality check, some clarity, some understanding. Do let me know in the comments how many could you do right. With this is me, Nitika, signing off. If you want more such sessions, do let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this session with as many friends as you can. Take care.